bath is more about constriction response. And I mean, yeah, you could say that you're having to overcome the cold like you overcome the heat. But the body's response to do that is the opposite.
Okay.
Right? And so the response in blood flow also, when you're subjected to extreme cold and extreme heat, is the opposite. So you're not, like, the body's not trying to save its appendages from frostbite when you're in a superheated state.
True, okay.
Whereas when you're super cooled, and you become, it's hypothermic instead of hyperthermic. Mm-hmm. So it's, one is the shivering induced state to try to protect the vital organs and everything else. That's why people's blood flow usually changes from appendages to core. But there's also benefits to that response. Like you get the brown fat increase and all this stuff. But it would be completely the opposite of sauna.
So you could
complementary though.
You could pair the two though.
Absolutely, yeah, okay. Absolutely. There might be some research on that coming out. I think if you look at Olympic athletes and triathlete training profiles, there is something to, because we've had it wrong. We've had it in reverse a couple of years. Usually people want to get in the cold after a hard workout, like after they run 20 miles or something, if they're training for a race, because the train of thought is that it reduces inflammation. However, I think there's some science coming out, maybe some good research on getting cold before you work out and using the sauna post-workout. Because if you look at Dr. Rhonda Patrick's stuff, if you look at Andrew Huberman, if you look at, there's a bunch of them. But if you look at the benefits of heat therapy post-exercise, the recovery time, and a few other things, those metrics improve.
It makes sense.
So.
Honestly, doing something cold beforehand actually makes sense. I feel like it would get your body ready to, you're not starting off on a swollen state, you're not started off on like the most contracted state you could be.
Right.
And then swelling from there.
I've always thought it was the opposite. I mean, the way I was taught, the people that trained me have always taught me the opposite. So, but
when we would run before, it makes sense, like now that you say it, but when we would run, like when I did cross country, we would have to ice our shins and everything afterwards, because of like, my ankles would get really swollen afterwards, and like shin splints and all that stuff. They would wrap our legs in ice pretty much. So like that is how we were always like taught, I guess.
Sure. Wouldn't be the first time I've been taught something wrong.
Right.
Just ask my high school teachers.
That's pretty much everybody who's ever taught me stuff.
So if there's something that you like from today's video, or you're looking for more resources, at CertifiedSaunas.com on the homepage, there's recommended sauna resources. If you're looking for a brand, a size, a model, reviews, installation videos on how to put them together, we have step-by-step tutorials that show you how to receive a sauna, how to prep your house for it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you so you don't have to wade through 4 hours of YouTube video to find the exact thing that you're looking for. But a lot of times in these episodes, I'll mention sauna hats, sauna accessories, different types of electrolyte supplements. If you want to put an infrared sauna in a cold basement or unheated garage, there's accessories or additional supplemental heat that you can add to it. If you continue down, you'll find everything that you're looking for that we've mentioned today. In addition to CertifiedSaunas.com, you can go to the Facebook group, which is the Certified Sauna community on Facebook. It's our sauna group. There's no hardcore pitching. There's thousands of members in there that offer really, really, really good advice. I learn from them every day. I'm also contributing and answering questions in there every day. In addition to that, you can go to the Amazon store. A lot of people have requested on where to buy sauna towels, sauna hats, different various supplements, minerals, electrolytes. Now we have all this in one place on various lists on this Amazon store. So you can go to this one link and everything will be right there for you. See you in the next video.